That's all I need. That's all I need. That's all I need. Let's go in. Let's go in. Let's go in. What should I give him? What should I give him? What should I give him? It might rain. It might rain. It might rain. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Let's do this again. Let's do this again. Let's do this again. What's that for? What's that for? What's that for? What changed your mind? What changed your mind? What changed your mind? What's wrong? What's wrong? I can't wait. I can't wait. Give me that. Give me that. Almost there. Almost there. Join me. Join me. Let's grab a bite to eat. Let's grab a bite to eat. It's my turn. It's my turn. Are you serious? Are you serious? Clean your room. Clean your room. Are seats available? Are seats available? I bumped my head. I bumped my head. That makes me sad. That makes me sad. It's up to you. It's up to you. What's the difference? What's the difference? Show me where it hurts. Show me where it hurts. Please don't rush me. Please don't rush me. My family is close. My family is close. My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. That's a waste of time. That's a waste of time. We're going to be late. We're going to be late. I can't eat another bite. I can't eat another bite. I can do it by myself. I can do it by myself. I remember everything. I remember everything. I'm going home. I'm going home. Do you mean this? Do you mean this? I ran into Ken today. I ran into Ken today. My pleasure. My pleasure. See you Monday. See you Monday. I'd like one more. I'd like one more. I'm glad to see you. I'm glad to see you. Who cares? Who cares? You can do it. You can do it. It's going to be okay. It's going to be okay. This is mine, right? This is mine, right? What should I bring? What should I bring? Are you all right? Are you all right? I have question for you. I have question for you. Is that enough? Is that enough? What time do you want me to pick you up? What time do you want me to pick you up? Can you show me how to do it? Can you show me how to do it? Hey, where are you going? Hey, where are you going? Can you give me a hand? Can you give me a hand? Should I call her? Should I call her? Should I cut my hair? Should I cut my hair? Did you make it okay? Did you make it okay? Do I have to today? Do I have to today? Speak louder, please. Speak louder, please. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Stop it. Stop it. Let me try. Let me try. Can I have seconds? Can I have seconds? I'm counting on you. I'm counting on you. Do you mind moving over just a little? Do you mind moving over just a little? That's not what I meant. That's not what I meant. I'm not sure how. I'm not sure how. What do you think? What do you think? Can you hold this a little bit? Can you hold this a little bit? Let's not go now. Let's not go now. Thanks for coming today. Thanks for coming today. Let's not fight. Let's not fight. That feels good. That feels good. I'll think about it. I'll think about it. The sooner the better. The sooner the better. I'd rather not. I'd rather not. Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to? Do you have all your stuff? Do you have all your stuff? What did you just say? What did you just say? Here you are. Here you are. I will take this. I will take this. What happened? What happened? I see you look very upset. I see you look very upset. I'd better hurry. I'd better hurry. Are you ready? Are you ready? Do I have to? Do I have to? That's enough. That's enough. Why don't you like him? Why don't you like him? What sport do you like? What sport do you like? I tried everything. I tried everything. I'm tired. I'm tired. Which one is yours? Which one is yours? I used to live in Tokyo. I used to live in Tokyo. Don't worry about those people. Don't worry about those people. Explain to me what happened. Explain to me what happened. Which one? Which one? How do you like this? How do you like this? I used to. I used to. I think I understand. I think I understand. I'm coming. I'm coming. Why is that? Why is that? We've reached the halfway point. We've reached the halfway point. What does that word mean? What does that word mean? Would you scratch my back? Would you scratch my back? I can't help but scratching. I can't help but scratching. What are you mad about? What are you mad about? I'd like to try a lot of sports. I'd like to try a lot of sports. I'm looking forward to seeing you. I'm looking forward to seeing you. Sure. Sure. I'm sorry I'm late. I'm sorry I'm late. How was the day today? How was the day today? If you are busy, you don't have to go there. If you are busy, you don't have to go there. He lacks courage. He lacks courage. See you later then. See you later then. It's your imagination. It's your imagination. Don't hog the bathroom. Don't hog the bathroom. That sounds fun. That sounds fun. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. I have a hay fever. I have a hay fever. Keep it a secret. Keep it a secret. Keep away from me. Keep away from me. It's time to wake up. It's time to wake up. I tried my best. I tried my best.